A very good morning dear students. Ajir class ot ami exercise 3.4 ketaman important concept ba equation or bikhoye alochona korim. So first equation to asile trigonometric equation je niki general solution or sapekkhe ki hoy possible hoy. We are going to discuss some trigonometric equation in terms of general solutions and in terms of principal solutions. So if the trigonometric equation is in the form of sin theta equal to sin alpha, then the value of theta will be n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha, where n is nothing but the integer. It may be positive integer or negative integer. So if cos theta is in the form of cos alpha, where alpha is nothing but the angle, then theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, where n belongs to z. If we put one value of n, we will get two values of theta, as one for positive sign and another for negative sign. And in third trigonometric equation, if tan theta is equal to tan alpha form, then the angle theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. In all the cases, n is nothing but the integer. And in sin theta is equal to 0, then theta equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. And cos theta equal to 0, theta will become 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, n belongs to z. And in terms of tan theta equal to 0, then theta is equal to n pi. It is like sin theta. And if in the equation is in the form sin square theta equal to sin square alpha, cos square theta equal to cos square alpha, and tan square theta equal to tan square alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha format. So these all are the general solutions of a equation if it is in the given format. So these are the standard formulas. And if we put the value of the integer, that is 1, minus 1, 2, 3, we will get the principal solution. So principal solution is the solutions of a trigonometric equation. Trigonometric equation bili konte kun bilak jibilak ami itimodhe pai aisu. Suppose sin theta equal to 0, then theta equal to n pi. This is the trigonometric equations. If we put the value of n, if we put 1 here, then theta will become pi. So that will be the principal solution of the equation. So the solutions of a trigonometric equation for which 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 2 pi are called principal solutions. But principal solution are the necessary and sufficient condition etue hol jay the principal solution must be greater than equal to 0 and should be less than equal to 2 pi. So x or range ki hobo lagibo 0 ke dangor hobo lagibo ba equal hobo lagibo aru 2 pi ke horu ba equal hobo lagibo, then that solutions are called principal solutions. So আমি যদি এটা trigonometric equation or বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰো, suppose sin theta equal to 0 হলে theta value কিমান দিয়া আছে n pi, where n belongs to z. What is this signifies? এটো কি signification কৰিছে? এটো signification কৰিছে যে আমি ইতিমধ্যে পাইছো যে sin theta equal to 0 হলে sin theta equal to কি হয় 0 হয়। যেতিয়া theta to 0 ডিগ্ৰী হয় তেতিয়া হলে sin theta value 0 হয়, কিন্তু এটো কি নহয় অকল 0 ডিগ্ৰী থাকিলে যে sin theta 0 হয় তেনে নহয়, আৰু বেলেগ বহুত ইকুৱেচন আছে যাৰ কাৰণে sin theta ভ্যালু 0 হয়। আমি যদি n ৰ ভ্যালু 1 পুট কৰো, theta ৰ ভ্যালু হ'ব pi। n ইকুৱেল টু যদি আমি -1 পুট কৰো, theta ৰ ভ্যালু হ'ব -pi। গতিকে আমি যদি চাও n ইকুৱেল টু 2, then theta will become 2 pi according to this equation. So n equal to যদি -2 put koro, theta equal to -2 pi. As n is a integer, whether it is a positive or negative integer, ami jodi enake put kori goi thaku ami ebilak value lab korim. We will get these values If n equal to 1, we will get pi. If n equal to minus 1, we will get minus pi. If n equal to 2, we will get 2 pi. n equal to minus 2, we will get theta equal to minus 2 pi. But এই গোটেইবিলাক যিবিলাক থিটাৰ ভ্যালু পাইছো, whatever the value we have found about theta, theta equal to pi, minus pi, 2 pi, minus 2 pi, এই সকলোবিলাক ভ্যালুৰ কাৰণে sin কি হয় 0 হয়. For example, if we take sin theta, sin pi মানে হল sin 90 into 2 plus 0. So sin 90 into 2 means sin 180, that is pi plus 0. So it is in the third quadrant. So third quadrant of sin or value ki hoy minus hoy, aru jehetu etu here the even number is get multiplied with 90 degrees, so sin will become sin and 0 degree will become 0, so it will become 0. So sin 0 te 0 নহয়, sin 180 to আমি কি পাও 0 পাও. ঠিক হেনেকা যদি sin 2 pi লও, sin 2 pi sin 2 pi means sin 4 into 90 degree plus 0 degree. So 4 into 90 degree means it will be in the first quadrant. First quadrant sin will become sin 0. So it is also 0. So for a number of angles we have for which the value of sin is 0. So hetu generalized form ot likhise je sin theta value ketia ketia 0 hoy, jetia theta equal to ki hoy n pi hoy. Gotike ami iate n or value ami integer put koribo paru, whether it will be a positive integer and negative integer. Gotike eta series or karone ki pa okol 0 degree karone ami sin theta value 0 na pao. Eta series number of series or karone ami sin theta value 0 পাও. গতিকে সেই গোটেইখিনি জেনাৰেলাইজ ফৰ্মত লিখিবৰ কাৰণে আমি কি লিখিছো theta equal to n pi. So it is called the general equation of sin theta. ঠিক হেনেকা আমি পাইছো cos theta ৰ ভ্যালু কেতিয়া 0 ডিগ্ৰী হয় যেতিয়া cos 90 হয়, কিন্তু অকল 90 ডিগ্ৰীৰ কাৰণে cos theta ৰ ভ্যালু 0 নহয়. There is a number of angles for which the value of cos theta is 0. গতিকে সেই গোটেইখিনি যিখিনি নম্বৰত আমি কি পাও cos theta 0 পাও, হেইটো এটা সিরিজত লিখিলে জেনাৰেলাইজ এক্সপ্ৰেছনত লিখিলে theta equal to কি হ'ব twice n plus 1 into pi by 2 where n belongs to z. এতিয়া যদি আমি n or value আমি 1 put কৰো তেতিয়া হলে theta will become 3 pi by 2. n or value যদি 2 put কৰো theta will become 5 pi by 2. গতে 3 pi by 2 মানে হল 270 degree and 5 pi by 2 মানে হল 450 degree. So yate jodi ami 370 degree long cos theta, if we take cos 270 degree, it is nothing but cos 180 plus 90 degree. So cos 180 plus 90, so it is the angle will be in third quadrant and this is 180 get multiplied by 90 into 2. So cos will become cos, in the third quadrant cos is negative, so it will become cos 90. So cos 90 is equal to 0. ঠিক হেনেকা যদি আমি cos 450 degree লও, cos 450 মানে cos 360 plus 90. So cos 360 plus 90 মানে হ'ব cos 90. So cos 90 is ultimately 0. গতিকে এইবিলাক যিবিলাক ভ্যালু আছে থিটাৰ 270 450 এই অল ভ্যালুছৰ কাৰণে কি হয় cos theta 0 হয়. গতিকে numbers of series or karone cos theta value 0 হয়. So which will be generalized from in the theta equal to twice n plus 1 into pi by 2. Jot nike ami ki korim, we will place the value of n as an integer, whether it will be a positive or negative integer. Aru suppose sin theta value 0 na thaki sin theta equal to half dia ase. So sin theta half thaka mane ami kobo paru sin pi by 6 mane hol half. So it is in the form sin theta equal to sin alpha, where alpha is equal to pi by 6. Tete theta value kiman hobo, theta will become n pi plus minus 1 to the power alpha into minus 1 to the power n into alpha. So yate n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha theta amar kiman ase pi by 6. So pi by 6 enake place koribo lagibo where n belongs to z. Etia jodi ami n or value place koru n equal to 0, then theta will become pi by 6 if n equal to 1 এই ইকুৱেশ্যনটো পৰা তেতিয়াহ'লে থিটা হ'ব pi plus minus 1 to the power 1 pi by 6. So it will be pi minus pi by 6. So it will become 5 pi by 6. গতিকে কোনটো ভ্যালুৰ কাৰণে sin থিটাৰ ভ্যালু হাফ হয় pi by 6 ৰ কাৰণে sin থিটাৰ ভ্যালু হাফ হ'ব আৰু 5 pi by 6 ৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ sin থিটাৰ ভ্যালু হাফ হ'ব গতিকে sin থিটা ইকুৱেল টু হাফ হ'ব লাগিলে there is a series of values for which the value of sin theta will become 0 বহুত ভ্যালু আছে যাৰ কাৰণে sin theta ৰ ভ্যালু কি হয় যে হাফ হয় সো sin theta pi by 6 হলো হাফ হ'ব 5 pi by 6 হলো হাফ হ'ব আৰু নেক্সট আৰু আমি যদি ভ্যালু পুট কৰো n ৰ ভ্যালু পুট কৰি থাকো তেতিয়াহলে we will get more values of theta for which the sin theta will become half. So there is a series of values for which sin theta will become half, and if we take all those values we will get a standard generalized equation, that is theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. So it is called general equations, and if we put the value of n in this equation, general equation, we will get the principal value. But in the principal value we must remember that the value of principal values, the value will be lies between 0 and 360 degree, not more than 360 or not less than 0 degree. So we have to remember that. So example of first question to example 3.4, exercise 3.4 first the problem there, that is given 10x equal to root over 3. So root over 3 is as you know root over 3 is not equal to 0. There is a certain value for root 3. So root 3 can আমি লিখব পাৰো 10 pi by 3. 10 pi by 3 value is root 3. So it is in the format 10 theta equal to 10 alpha. So alpha is the angle, that is pi by 3, and theta in place of theta here it is given x. So you don't have to confuse, x is nothing but the angle only. So 10 theta equal to 10 alpha hole ki hoy theta will become n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. So yata jodi ei equation mote ami likhibo jao, it will become in place of theta it is x will be equal to n pi plus alpha. In place of alpha we have pi by 3, where n belongs to z. So this is the general solution of the equation 10x equal to pi by 3. This is the general solution. আৰু আমি যেতিয়া কি কৰিম n ৰ ভ্যালু এই জেনাৰেল সলিউশনত পুট কৰিম, we will get the principal value. So if we put n equal to 1, we will get x equal to pi plus pi by 3. So which will become 4 pi by 3. And if we put n equal to 0, then x will become pi by 3. So 4 pi by 3 and pi by 3, those are principal solutions of the equation, and x equal to n pi plus pi by 3 is the general solution. So general solution ami ei general equation or formula use kori uliaisu, aru tat যেটো n হয় n is a integer আৰু n ৰ ভ্যালু চেঞ্জ কৰি গৈ থাকিলে আমাৰ x ৰ ভ্যালু চেঞ্জ হৈ গৈ থাকিব, কিন্তু আমি এটো মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব যে x ৰ ভ্যালু 0 বা 0 তকৈ ডাঙৰ হ'ব লাগিব আৰু 360 ইকুৱেল বা লেছ দেন হ'ব লাগিব, তাতকে বেছি হ'ব নোৱাৰে। গতিকে আমি ইয়াতে n ৰ ভ্যালু যিমান পুট কৰি গৈ থাকিম আমি ডিফাৰেন্ট ভ্যালুজ অফ x পাই থাকিম। সো n ৰ ভ্যালু 0 পুট কৰিলে pi by 3 পালো, n ৰ ভ্যালু 1 পুট কৰোতে 4 pi by 3 পালো। Those are principal solutions of the equation. Next আছে sec x equal to 2, কিন্তু আমি কি পোৱা নাই, sec ৰ কাৰণে আমি কোনো ধৰণৰ জেনাৰেল সলিউশনস পোৱা নাই, আমি পাইছো cos ৰ কাৰণে। সো এটো যদি আমি cos বনাব লাগে, cos x equal to হ'ব 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 মানে হ'ব cos pi by 3, cos 60 degree মানে half. So it is in the equation in the format cos theta equal to cos alpha. যেতিয়া cos theta equal to cos alpha হয়, cos theta equal to cos alpha হয়, তেতিয়া theta ৰ ভ্যালু কিমান হয়, theta will become 2n pi plus minus alpha, where n belongs to z. So ইয়াতে কি হ'ব, x equal to হ'ব 2n pi plus minus pi by 3, where n belongs to z. This is the general solution. আৰু ইয়াতে যদি আমি n ৰ ভ্যালু পুট কৰো, we will get the principal solution. If we take n equal to 0, we will get x equal to plus minus pi by 3. If we put n equal to 1, we'll get x equal to 2 pi plus pi by 3 or 2 pi minus pi by 3, because there is a plus minus sign there. So for one time it will be plus, for another time it will be minus. So if we solve this, it will become 7 pi by 3 and this will become 5 pi by 3. So these are the principal solutions of the equation. The principal solutions of the equation will be minus pi by 3, plus pi by 3, 7 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3 for the equation sec x equal to 2. Sec x equal to 2 ketia hobo jetia cos x half hobo. So cos x kiman bilak value of different angular karone half hobo. Jibilak ase pi by 3 karone half hobo pare, minus pi by 3 karone cos x half hobo pare, 7 pi by 3 karone cos x kiman hobo pare, half hobo pare, and 5 pi by 3 karone cos x ki hobo pare, half hobo pare. So these are the different values of angles for which the cos x will become half. Kintu yate eta kotha tomaloke mon koribo lagibo, the angle 7 pi by 3, 7 pi by 3 mane hobo 420 degree, which is greater than 2 pi. So a is to value hobo, this value will not be applicable in terms of principal solution, because principal solution hobo lagile x or value kiman hobo lagibo but theta value kiman hobo lagibo, it should be less than or equal to 2 pi or 360 degree, but here it is 420 degree, so which is not applicable. So the principal solution will become this one, because this is 300 degree and 300 degree is less than 2 pi. So etu range ot ase, gotike etu hobo amar ki hobo principal solutions. So that things also we have to remember.